Holy crap. That's another sail house. Right. Was able to keep the dry bag up. And the dry suit is warm. First flip in the last mile. That's what I'm talking about. You just can't be off your game or say it's over till it's over. Whew. Yeah, everything should be strapped in. So I should be good. That was just a surprise. I think my sail is still up. Alright, everything's still here. Tell you what, man, these Coquetat dry suits are awesome. Oh, where were we? Yeah, I don't know what happened. Oh boy. Well, I think I was able to hold my dry bag up out of the water and got it closed up. Boy, that was interesting. Must have just been a gust and I was too distracted with the camera and steered the wrong way or something. But yeah, as I was starting to say there in the water, you know, like tomorrow I have a critical moment, right? Crossing back over. And again, it's, you know, it's easy to think, just, you know, like right now, hey, I'm coming into the harbor. It'll be fine, right? You know, it's easy to think that when you're close, you're done. And obviously, case in point right there, you're not. You're not back. You can't let your guard down. You know, you can't assume it's gonna be fine until you're done. You know, you get halfway up you get up the mountain, right? You're at the top and it's celebration, but you're only halfway. And now you're tired, you know? And half your supplies are gone, and you know, it's same deal out here. So, yeah, that was fun. That's still a surprise to me. Yeah, I haven't flipped in, what have I done so far? 125 miles on Lake Superior, big water, big wind, gusty. Haven't flipped till, well, you just saw it. Oh, all right, I'm gonna put this away. Hey, I'm again out about 11 miles from the closest point of land on Lake Superior. I'm doing my final crossing. Although the waves are bigger than what they predicted, the winds are perfect because I'm basically just running downwind, and so I'm making really good time. And especially after, you know, what, 140 miles on this trip, I know that the boat can handle waves and that I can as well. Basically, everybody thinks I'm crazy so far that I've met, and they're probably right, but it's been a blast, and I've been thinking about my next trips up this direction into Canada. There's the Slate Islands that a couple people have recommended. There's the other Great Lakes, Lake Powell. I've been thinking about going to Voyageurs National Park as well as Pictured Rocks. And so, yeah, let me know in the comments, you know, again, if you have any questions and where you think I should go next, if you have any other suggestions. So I keep saying that I don't recommend doing this in terms of, you know, sailing to and around Isle Royale. I say that because there's a lot of danger associated with it. The Sunfish is generally a more beginner boat, and it really requires three things to do this. It requires the knowledge, the equipment, and the skills to keep yourself safe and deal with those situations that arise that you weren't perhaps accounting for initially. And I think that there are certainly better sailors out there that have more knowledge and more skill and certainly more equipment than I do, and I think that there are more accomplished, more able people to do this than myself. And so if you know that you're one of those people, then by all means, go for it. But if you're looking at this going, oh, I don't know, then, you know, or if you're just like, that's crazy, then, I mean, I really want folks to see this video and realize that the Sunfish is capable. And so if you are capable as well, then you can take this out. You can put equipment on it and go to a local lake. You can, you know, be okay out in some bigger waves or wind. And now, granted, it's safer certainly to be closer to shore and still have some of this, you know, equipment in preparation. But I guess, yeah, I want folks to see that it can be used for something big, and therefore encourage you to use it for something that is doable on whatever level that you are able to stay safe. So anyway, I hope you guys have some great adventures and hope you share them with me. You know, comment, stay safe out there, have fun, build your confidence, and just pass it along, get some more people outside. All right, well, here I am. I'm only about a quarter mile away from the Grand Portage Marina, which will complete my 150 miles on a Sunfish. The crossing I did here, as you can see, it was 23 miles in just over 4 hours. So made pretty good time on the way back, and the winds were just right. Thanks again for following this journey, and I hope you subscribe to follow other journeys and hopefully get some inspiration to do some of this stuff at whatever your level is on your own. So thank you.
Right on, Matt. Woohoo! Yeah, man, most heroic, dude. Righteous, man. Yeah. Safely into the marina.